A dangerous asteroid is heading towards Earth and could hit us. Does that sound like the plot of a cheap sci-fi movie? Well, unfortunately, this time it is bitter reality. Astronomers have recently discovered a celestial body that threatens our planet, and the damage would be devastating. Make sure to stick around until the end, because in this video, you'll find out when and where this asteroid could strike. Welcome, everyone. When I first read the news about this asteroid, I thought, great, as if we don't already have enough problems on Earth. Write to me directly in the comments what the last thing would be you would do if you knew that an asteroid will hit the Earth very soon. Have a nice dinner again, watch the stars one last time. I'm very curious about your comments. I would of course like to ask one last time if you could subscribe to my channel. Subscribing is absolutely free, you will never miss a video again, and you will help me immensely. Thank you guys. So, what's this all about? On December 27, 2024, astronomers from the Chilean station of the Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System, or ATLAS for short, discovered an unknown celestial body. It was designated 2024 YR4. Sounds a bit like the name of a robot from Star Wars, doesn't it? Anyway, it quickly became clear that this asteroid is not just an ordinary rock. It belongs to the category of near-Earth objects and even crosses our planet's orbits. That alone would be exciting enough, but it gets even more exciting. Experts have calculated that YR4 is possibly on a collision course with Earth. Does that mean we need to worry? Well, the likelihood of an impact is high enough that scientists around the world have taken notice. According to the latest data from NASA, there is a chance of 1 in 48. So there is a 2.1% chance that it will collide with Earth on December 22, 2032. That may not sound like much at first, but for a potentially dangerous celestial body, it's a pretty high number. Besides, the probability was still 1.2% in January, so it has virtually doubled in just a few weeks. And just imagine if someone told you, hey, there's a 2% chance that your house will be hit by a meteor tomorrow. I bet most of you would be pretty worried and might even consider spending the day somewhere else, right? Better safe than sorry. And that's exactly the situation we're in with our planet, except that unfortunately we don't have a place to just move to. But how big is this cosmic intruder anyway? We don't yet know the exact dimensions of 2024 YR4, but based on its brightness, astronomers estimate it to be between 40 and 90 meters in diameter. That may not seem like much at first glance. By way of comparison, Cologne Cathedral is 157 meters high. But believe me, an asteroid of this size could cause significant damage if it hits the Earth. To give you an idea, the asteroid that hit Tunguska in Siberia in 1908, devastating an area the size of Greater London, was probably similar in diameter, so it doesn't take much to cause real havoc. NASA has already calculated how much energy would be released by the impact, about 7.6 megatons of TNT. By comparison, the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima in 1945 had an explosive force of about 15 kilotons of TNT. So our little space visitor would be nearly 500 times stronger. Phew, that makes you feel a bit uneasy, doesn't it? Let's take a look at how big the danger really is. Before that, a quick fun fact on the side. Did you know that there are asteroids that aren't dangerous but are actually valuable? One of them is called Psyche and is made of gold and precious metal. Its value is estimated to be $10 trillion. The good news is that we discovered the asteroid a full 8 years before a possible impact. That gives us plenty of time to observe it more closely and plan countermeasures. But there are some things we already know. For example, that its rotation is extremely fast. Measurements have shown that the asteroid rotates once every 19.5 minutes around its own axis. That's super fast for a celestial body of this size. For comparison, the Earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. Imagine if our planet rotated as fast as YF4. We would probably all get seasick and constantly fall out of our chairs. But joking aside, this rapid rotation could provide important clues about the composition and structure of the asteroid. Many scientists suspect that YF4 is a so-called rubble pile, basically a cosmic heap of debris held together only by gravity. This type of asteroid is made up of many smaller rocks and often has a very porous structure. This could explain why it rotates so fast without falling apart. In the coming months and years, researchers want to find out a lot more about YR4. To do this, they will use not only Earth-based telescopes, but also space telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope. This is scheduled to take a closer look at the asteroid in March and then again in April of this year. With its highly sensitive infrared instruments, the James Webb Telescope can not only determine the exact position of the asteroid, but also provide information about its size and surface composition. And all this data is extremely important for a more accurate assessment of the risk of impact.
Because even though the 2.1% chance sounds concerning, it could change in the coming years, either up or down. The more we know about the asteroid's trajectory, the more accurately we can calculate whether it will really pose a danger to Earth or if it will just fly by us. And if it turns out that YF4 is indeed on a collision course, then finally, Bruce Willis will come to the rescue. Jokes aside, even though Hollywood would like us to believe it, we won't be sending oil drillers with a nuclear bomb to an asteroid. Although, it would be pretty cool.
Instead, space agencies like NASA and ESA have been working on more realistic asteroid deflection methods in recent years. A promising technique was recently tested in the DART mission. In this mission, a spacecraft deliberately rammed a small asteroid to minimally change its orbit.
And do you know what? It worked.
No, see.
The asteroid Dimorphos, the target of the mission, was actually pushed out of its original orbit.
But it shows that we can influence the orbit of celestial bodies. A similar method could be used for YR4 if necessary. The idea is to intercept the asteroid as early as possible in its orbit and deflect it slightly. Even a tiny change in course, achieved from a distance of millions of kilometers, can make the difference between a direct hit and a flyby.
Of course, we all hope that it doesn't come to that and that YF4 turns out to be harmless. But the mere fact that we are seriously dealing with such scenarios shows how far we've come in terms of planetary defense.
A few decades ago, we might not have known about an approaching asteroid until just days before impact, and then we would have had to watch helplessly as it struck. Today, we have the technology to detect potential threats from space early on and even to do something about them. I find this both fascinating and touching at the same time. By the way, if you are wondering whether the asteroid could hit your city if it were to impact, then I have some bad news for you. Of course, this is still largely speculation, but according to the European Space Agency, the possible impact sites are the Eastern Pacific, North and South America, the Atlantic, Africa, the Arabian Sea and South Asia.
Overall, one should take the situation seriously, but not panic.
Astronomers worldwide are keeping an eye on the situation and are working hard to find out more about this mysterious celestial body. In the coming years, we will certainly learn a lot more about it, and then we will be able to better assess whether it poses a danger. In any case, one thing is certain: the story of YR4 will keep us busy for a while.
You can rely on me to keep you updated on all important developments. So, if you haven't done so yet, subscribe to the channel now and activate the bell so you don't miss any updates on this exciting topic. And now, let's travel from the depths of space to the depths of the planet.
Scientists have now discovered that something very strange is happening to the Earth's core. It is deforming, and perhaps this has something to do with the current series of earthquakes we are seeing in Europe. For example, in the Santorini archipelago and the Phlegraean fields in Italy. You can find out everything about this in the video in the top right-hand corner. Be sure to watch it, it's super exciting. As always, the YouTube algorithm in the bottom right-hand corner has done its best to pick a topic just for you, so please don't disappoint it. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys.